Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So out of all the times that I could have been pulled over, it happens to be while I'm in my Lexus. The first time actually getting pulled over, and surprisingly it wasn't the Porsche, but the nice subtle luxury car. A lot of people I know say they get pulled over like in their BMWs or Audis, and you think that this would attract attention, but quick backstory before I get to the clip. I realized that my driver's license was about to expire within like a few weeks. So I was like, okay, let me make an appointment. And here it is like the early September, and all the appointments were booked out all the way until like November going into December. So I started looking at, because I'm in San Antonio, I started looking at all these like little tiny towns out in the middle of nowhere, and they're also booked up. So I just looked at everywhere within like this huge range. And over in Eagle Pass, which is like a little, I think it's like 2.5 hours, right on the border of Mexico, they had an availability like the following day. So I'm like, okay, well, let me just go ahead and make an appointment so I can get in the next day and be able to get my license and then be able to get the new one before mine expires. So I actually encountered the highway patrol. This is like maybe like an hour and a half outside San Antonio in the middle of nowhere. There's like nobody around. It's just long straight roads. It's just empty land. And it's like every mile there's like highway patrol. It was insane. Like I've never seen so many police officers, but this is out in the middle of nowhere. And let me go ahead and jump to the clip. Now one of them just turned around. Like, we're going under the speed limit. And we just passed the 60 sign. Oh yeah, that cop is like hauling butt coming up behind us. Oh, police lights just came on. I don't know if that's for me or if that's... There's like nowhere to pull over. I'll just pull over in the grass. Yep, that's for me.
Morning. Good morning, sir. How to reach your stop. Texas is one of the states that plate has to be all the way out on the exterior frontmost portion of the vehicle is the way it reads. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes, I do.
What brings you down here?
To get a new license.
Oh, really?
I'm actually from San Antonio. I'm in the Air Force.
Okay.
And it's the only place that, I don't know if you see my military ID as well.
Are you, I'll take a look at it. Are you stationed in San Antonio or down here?
San Antonio. It's just the only place I could get before November to get a new license.
Okay.
So I'm like, well, I guess I'll make the 2-hour drive.
And then, okay.
I'm actually getting a new Texas license because I'm getting out of the military soon.
Are you going to stay here?
I am.
Nice. Do you like it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now, did you choose was that your first choice or?
I was actually in Germany.
Germany?
And then,
did you like Germany?
Oh, I loved it.
Okay. Well, just curious, what's the YouTube about? What's the channel?
I do a bunch of car stuff and...
So car channel?
Yeah, not too much. I do a bunch of how-tos and whatnot. And
cool. It's going to be a warning. No fines, no fees, no penalties. Just, whenever you're able to find a solution.
Okay.
Like I said, the way it reads in Texas per law is exterior frontmost portion of the vehicle. So obviously that's why that's an issue. But let me check on everything. I'll get you out here. Here's that warning. Just sign right there for me, sir.
Okay. And then I actually just picked up this car like a month ago.
Really? Yeah, I saw the P plate, so brand new, because we're on that letter right now.
Oh, okay.
No fines, like I said, no fees, no penalties, but that is a copy for you on that license. You be safe.
Awesome.
Take
Thank you
care.
very much. Alright guys, so that cop was actually super cool. He only gave me a warning, which is super awesome. So if you are watching this, so shout out to you, that was awesome. But if you guys didn't really catch that, the reason I got pulled over is because of the front license plate. So I actually have my front plate up in the front window, because when I got this car, there's no bracket, there's nowhere to put it. Plus, the grill looks super awesome. And I was like, all right, well, let me just go ahead and stick my license plate in the windshield, because a lot of people in San Antonio do that. Usually San Antonio police, I don't know if they just have higher priorities or if they, I don't know. So I just went ahead and did that. But out in the middle of nowhere, they probably try to find something to get you at. But yeah, so the Texas law is it has to be on the front, outside, furthest forward most part of your car, which essentially would be somewhere along the front bumper. So because it's up in the windshield, that's why I got pulled over. So luckily it wasn't an actual ticket, and I mean, out of that whole drive, I had to go like 2.5 hours away to get a driver's license, turn around and come 2.5 hours back. And that would have sucked to get a ticket on top of that like 5-hour drive. But thank you, if you're watching this, thank you so much for not giving me a ticket. That was like one of the coolest cops ever. So shout out to, I don't know where, honestly, out in the middle of nowhere highway patrol. Thank you guys so much for what you do. Like, I cannot imagine sitting on the side of the road out in the middle of nowhere with nothing around. But yeah, thank you so much. But if you guys like the quality of the dash cam, definitely go down. There's going to be a link in the description down below where you can pick one up yourself. They're on Amazon. The brand's actually Rexing. And there's a rear camera I have, which filmed most of it. But you can see the rear camera right there. And it's very subtle and it kind of hides away. The front camera is even better quality, which there it is right there. And it is such a great camera. I absolutely love it. I have the same one in the Porsche. I got the front and back for the Lexus. Definitely go pick one up for your car. Yes, it can help you with getting pulled over. It has really good audio, as well as, especially all the crazy drivers out there, you don't want to be to blame for somebody causing you to wreck. So definitely go pick one of those up, save yourself and a lot of hassle in the future, and keep yourself safe. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button so you can see all these crazy awesome videos. Hopefully I won't have any more pullover videos, but if I do, I don't know. I guess I'll put it up. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.